back to our live talk show. On today's show, we'll be talking about obesity. What is obesity? Obesity is a complex health issue in which the body weight is high, and this can lead to serious health issue. What are the causes of obesity? Obesity can be caused due to lack of poor diet. That is when you are not eating good food, when you are not eating food that contains balanced diet. When you eat junk food, it can lead to obesity. And lack of physical activity can also cause obesity. When you don't exercise your body daily or targeting yourself to exercise your body weekly, when you eat without taking enough physical activity, that is doing more of exercise to burn out the fat in you so that your body can be fit. And eating sugary things can also cause obesity. When you don't reduce the drink you take, as in taking canned drink, processed drink, drinking things that can be harmful to your body, can also result to obesity. How can you take care of obesity? You can take care of obesity when you go for physical activity, as in when you exercise very well, and when you place yourself on good diet, that is you not eating all this processed food. You eat whole food that are healthy for your body, like veggies, nuts, greens, and proteins. All balanced diet food can help to remove obesity in your body. And another thing you need to know is that you need to sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep. During the hours of sleep, it can also help you to burn out the fats in your body. Because if you don't take care of your body, the risk of obesity can result to the increase in heart diseases, and it can lead to high blood pressure, as in you having high blood pressure. So I would advise that if you are one of the obese, try to take proper care of yourself. Make sure you eat healthy food and do away with sugary food. Eat healthy food. You can make natural drink instead of taking Coke or Fanta. This can help to fight obesity in you. Thank you as you listen. God bless. Bye.